Bankroll with the X, no A from Complexity Crew. Right now I'm just gonna try something different. We're gonna design some sounds from scratch just on FL Studio. And if you want to check out complexitycrew.bandcamp.com, that's where my latest album is. I just uploaded my sixth one in like the past week. So check it out here. We're gonna have like a sine wave bass. What the heck am I doing? The white noise there is decent, but I don't think it sounds good. But you can hear it gives us some variation. And here I could just like probably hear your tempo, and then yeah. Okay, here we go. Check. Alright, 1 sec. My bad, people. Alright, word. So, like, then we have this. I don't think it don't sound good. 1 sec. Alright, well, we could just use that. Yeah, like, hold on. I got a good idea here. So, if the volume envelope is like that, then, like, right here, so we're trying to make, like, sort of something for EDM music. So then it'll be like, you know, pattern sounding structure from not too much. Well, maybe not this one. I don't know. I don't know how it sounds. I don't like it. That's fine, I suppose. Yeah, we could modulate that. So, like, I'll show how you could automate it as well. But, like, alright, hold on. Let's make a kick drum, and then make a snare drum out of a sine wave so you can see how it's done. It's pretty easy, but basics and stuff which I would, you know, think people would want to know if they're trying to learn how to produce. So check it out. Hold on. This should be good for the kicks volume envelope. Then on the mixer, we just have to make sure the stuff is proper before we render the thing. Like first you don't mix it. You just sort of, you know, get a feel for it, mix a little better, and refine it as you go along. But check it out. Okay, so here we have this, like, I don't even like this. I want it to sound like this. Okay, so that's more like, yeah, we don't need the mod on the X. Okay, so check it. Here we're going to have, let me think of a pattern. I don't know, man. Wait, no, look, first we'll do the hit. My bad, people. I'm just all over the place because, oh, the world is so lovely and stuff. And stuff like that. figured I would, try to teach people who would like to learn how to make music. If you like it, that's cool. If not, well, sorry you don't like it, but I don't like you either then. But it's all good. So here we go. We got like, my bad, the snare is a little bit loud. Actually, I don't want to make the snare myself either. Let's just go quick with that, yeah. Because I'm trying to be quick so this doesn't bother everybody here. Okay, check it out. Here we go. Well, there's not that many people, but check. Alright, May. What's good? I have to, yeah. Okay. Right here, I'll make something. I have no clue what it should sound like. Alright, so this will be decent, I think. I don't know. Right. So, like, not too bad for just quick, I guess, eh? It's not that good, though. Alright, wait 1 second. Then here I'm just gonna do the bass and the kick style stuff real quick. Yeah, it's like this. Probably not that good sounding, probably sounds like crap, but yo, I'm just trying to teach you guys the basics, and my bad if it's not that good. Okay, here we go, this is better. Right. Wait, no, hell no. Alright, word. Alright, this part we're gonna do the rhythm real quick. Alright, I'm just trying to get this to sound decent. Hold on. Then we'll go with like, I don't know what I should add to this. What elements? I'll add like some breakbeat drums. Nah, hell no. Right. That works. Alright. Alright, on the same mixer channel, I'll just do something like route something else that sounds not too terribly bad. We'll see what sounds good. Actually, I could, yeah. We'll leave it at that for this. So check it out live. Hold on. So that's basically how we do something like that real quick. You feel me? If you like my music, check out complexitycrew.bandcamp.com. You could get 6 albums I dropped in like 4 months. I think I made it in 4 months, 6 of them I think. I forget. I go crazy at it though. Check it out. And then what's this here? Well, I'll just freestyle some stuff. Hold on. I forget what I even did. Hold on. Hey, what? Okay. Yo, I had to like play on that damn keyboard, which is gonna give me arthritis. So yo, thanks to everybody who watched this. If it worked, I think I recorded it properly, and if you didn't get to see it, that's why I didn't do it properly, but I think I did. So peace everybody, I will see you next